The transport and tow mode optimizes consumption by providing the driver with the chance to set the speed of the machine with the accelerator pedal, and is therefore particularly useful in transfer and field work. To ensure maximum efficiency, the Eco-Power drive automatically manages the engine RPM in relation to the speed requested and the torque needed to reach it. When low power is required, such as maneuvers inside company premises on flat ground, low engine RPM is provided. Whereas for the same speeds to be reached uphill, engine RPM increases in order to maintain the set speed. During fast transfers, engine RPM increases during the acceleration stage and then stabilizes automatically when the required speed is attained. Heavy load mode optimizes consumption in relation to the torque requirements set by the driver and was developed by Merlo engineers for operations requiring direct control of wheel torque, such as bucket loading, excavation and snow clearance. By means of the accelerator pedal, the driver is able to directly request a given wheel torque in order to progressively tackle phases of work. In this way, engine RPM will vary in a manner directly proportional to the effort involved, controlling wheel torque and avoiding torque overloads that could cause the tires to slip and damage the equipment. Once the maximum effort terminates, RPM and consumption drop to normal levels. The inching mode was fine-tuned for precision tasks, such as material positioning or handling, and precise maneuvers in very narrow settings. Maximum speed is reduced so the driver can control even the tiniest variation in speed with extreme precision, while also limiting consumption. The accelerator pedal is detached from engine RPM and sets transfer speed with greater sensitivity, while hourly consumption is obviously lower than in cases without Eco-Power drive control. The Eco-Power drive system is a Merlo patent and helps reduce consumption and polluting emissions by up to 30%, thereby achieving savings proportional to the vehicle's hours of work.